Hi everyone, it's Toby from CineSim. Welcome to our 5th CineSim tutorial. In this video, we explore camera settings and how to save and export your projects. And let's get started. I believe all of you have noticed that there is a camera in the scene. And after we position everything in the desired locations, so let's switch to camera mode. So we can press C on our keyboard to find our camera first. Alright, this is our camera. And then in camera mode, you can get lots of different settings to capture the perfect shots. So now we click the camera and we click the camera wheel to go inside the camera. And let's start with the lens type. We select here and you can see that in this drop list, you can have different common lens, just like we are using 24 to 70 aperture 2.8. These are some lenses that you can find in real life. And next, let's try to adjust the focal length to zoom in or out. Just like this, zoom in, zoom out, and let's try to make it to 35. Alright, so this is a 35mm, and actually, you can also change to another lens, 35mm. This is a prime lens, so you cannot actually change the focal length. But there's an absolute advantage of this lens is that it gets a very big aperture, so you can get a very beautiful depth of field. The aperture controls the depth of field and exposures. A lower f-stop number, just like 1.4 or 2.8, can get a very shallow depth of field. So ISO adjusts the camera's sensitivity to light. A lower ISO, just like 100, is best for bright conditions, while a higher ISO, just like 800 or even higher, is better for low light. For real-life situations, if you're having a bigger ISOs, the noise will also be more severe. You can also set the car temperature to adjust the white balance of your camera, just like we set it to 5600, which is default as a daylight, or we can set it to 3200 to get different feelings. So the colors in the light does matter, and also your camera's white balance also does matter. And here you also have a focus. So you can see that we're having different focus. And for convenient purpose, we try to place the objects that we want to focus and put it in the center and have an autofocus. So it focuses on somewhere we want. Or if we find that no, it cannot focus on somewhere we want, then you can just simply adjust this bar. Okay? And then we get a very useful functions. Just think, if you need to place your characters here, and you need to leave the camera mode and go to director mode and move it and go by the camera view, it's actually quite inconvenient. So what can we do? We can try to use this one, take the camera and enable the preview mode, and also to pin it here, so that you will always have the view from your cameras, and then you can place it to somewhere you want. Or just like this. Once everything is done, you just unpin it and just click on somewhere and the window will just disappear. Just to remind you that the previews is just for framing, which means it helps you to place different characters and objects into a desirable positions. But lightings and all other effects here are not really that accurate. So try not to rely on these windows and only focus on the composition. Now that your scene is set, and let's save the project. Go to main menu by pressing exit and select save to store your work. To capture realistic image from your camera, just need to press C and then go camera wheel. And then go to capture button and press it so you can save your files to somewhere you want. And save, you get your wheel done. And that's it for camera settings and saving and exporting in CineSim. In the next video, we'll cover how to build a new scene from zero. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest tutorials. And see you next time.